All right, so I got too busy to check on these yesterday. So it's been a couple of days since I made them. And I hope I can remember what I did. I know that I started with this set. So I know this was deli paper and ink, I think. And this could be ironed just to get it like nice and flat so that you just have the pattern without the texture. And maybe this was the one, no, there was one where I wanted to use some gel medium to see if it changed the transparency. So this is still about the same as it was before I added color. And here's another one. It has some interesting textures on it. Again, I think it will look nicer if it is flattened. So there's those. And I want to find the other one with deli paper. I think that was this one. And for this, I just used acrylic. And I actually kind of like that side better, even though it's shiny. So my experiment with the gel medium, like making it more transparent, did not work. So that's good to know. But I wonder, I am curious what will happen when I use those. All right, so that's the deli paper. So it's definitely like translucent and not transparent. And then these were tissue paper. This one ended up a little darker than I would have liked. It's kind of interesting on the back though. And I think I don't know what I used for this one. I'll have to go back and watch the video. Oh, he's such a good teacher. But in some places it's kind of sticking, kind of glued together. So that's okay. But I think one of the things I was curious about with this is if, now that it has some acrylic in it, if it's going to be a little better to use with the water. So I'm going to test that out real quick. It still feels pretty delicate. So let that soak in a little bit. And yeah, it's still very delicate. Okay, that's okay. It looks cool. And then let's see, this one. Oh, I remember making this one. This one's kind of neat. I really thought that this was going to fade a little bit more than it did. I was hoping that I could kind of layer these a little bit more, but they're pretty opaque now. Ooh, that looks cool though. Maybe this one. Let's see if this one's any stronger. That one feels, yeah, no, oh well, okay. So my experiments didn't work, but now I know. And I have no memory of what I did with what this one is. I recognize the ink color though. And this one is definitely a lot more transparent. I guess I was kind of hoping to get some like optical mixing effects. I kind of see, and it might be that when I use them with more gel medium that they will be a little bit more see-through. But anyway, they're fun, and I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. I think I want to make more, and for them to be even lighter. I really want them to be quite pastel, I think, for my taste. I might also try using a warm red and get a little bit more muted colors. I know I said that I don't like that kind of brownish muted purple, but I think I should give it a chance. All right, so have fun making your collage papers.